Join me as I put a secret Forex trading strategy to the test and see if I can actually make money online. Forex trading, it's a term we've all heard before, but do you really know what it's all about? It's the process of exchanging one country's currency for another, but for those who are new to the game, it can be super intimidating. And today, I'm going to share with you a secret strategy that can make all the difference between success and failure in the Forex market. When it comes to Forex trading, the statistics are pretty shocking. Did you know that up to 90% of traders fail to make a profit in their first year of trading? It's a staggering number, and it's easy to see why so many people get discouraged and give up. The biggest challenge traders face is the inability to make consistent profits. One day you're up, the next day you're down, and it's a roller coaster that can be incredibly frustrating. Another major hurdle is the emotional aspect of trading. It's easy to get caught up in the heat of the moment and make impulsive decisions based on emotions rather than logic. And let's be real, who hasn't fallen victim to fear and greed at some point or another? It's a tough game to crack, but those who can manage to overcome these obstacles are the ones who end up being successful in the long run. So, what's the missing link between those who succeed and those who don't? In my opinion, it's the lack of a solid strategy and the failure to adapt to changing market conditions. Without a clear plan in place, you're essentially flying blind, and that's a recipe for disaster. So, what makes this secret strategy so different? For starters, it's built on a foundation of risk management. Many traders focus solely on maximizing their profits, but they forget that risk management is just as crucial. By limiting your potential losses, you can ensure that you stay in the game for the long haul. The strategy also involves a combination of technical and fundamental analysis. This means looking at charts and patterns, as well as keeping an eye on market news and trends. By combining these two approaches, you can get a much more complete picture of the market and make more informed trading decisions. At the heart of this strategy is a specific trading approach that's designed to take advantage of market volatility. It's based on the idea that prices tend to move in certain patterns, and by identifying these patterns, you can anticipate potential price movements and make profitable trades. The beauty of this approach is that it's not just about making a quick buck. It's about creating a sustainable trading system that can generate consistent profits over time. And the best part is that it's not just limited to Forex. This strategy can be applied to a variety of different markets. So, what's the main takeaway from this strategy? For me, it's the importance of patience and discipline. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about building a trading system that can stand the test of time. And if you can master that, then the possibilities are endless. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of Forex trading. If you want to learn more about this secret strategy and how you can apply it to your own trading, then be sure to subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and insights. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching Secret Forex Trading Strategy Revealed How to Make Money Online.